Heartily congratulations, students. You have cracked your 12th with very good marks or whatever marks you expected. But now you have the qualification that you have completed your 12th. Now you have completed your 18 years also. Now you have become the citizen of India who is liable to vote. So you have the right to choose the proper career for yourself. And as you have seen on this video, that our announcement is that do you want to become a police officer? Do you want to work hard to crack MPSC or UPSC? If you are interested in this dream, which you have seen on the screen, you want to be Singham, Lady Singham, and for this, is your SSC and HSC is helpful, or is it enough qualification to become a police officer? This is your question. I am a police officer who has experience of continuous 10 years in police department, and my opinion is that if you are starting your study just now, this is the proper time for your preparation, because you will get at least next 3 years for your preparation. If you want to crack UPSC, you must have to start your study since today, because the study of UPSC is quite vast and you have to practice a lot, but it is not difficult. It is really very easy if you have that guts that whatever you have decided, you will complete it. Dedication is the most important part. Decision making is the most important part. To give such competitive exams like UPSC and MPSC, plain graduation is enough. There is no any need to run behind engineering, medical, MCA, BCA, or any other professional course. Plain graduation from any open university, it is enough. It is quite enough, because the qualification to become a police officer is to give any competitive exam from state or for the central. If you want to become an IPS officer, you have to give UPSC. If you want to become DYSP, ACP, or police sub-inspector, you have to crack MPSC. So you have to decide now whether you want to go for UPSC or you want to crack the local exam in your state. But for both the exams, you have to work hard, because the ratio is very rare. What is that? If 10 lakh students are there who are appearing for the exam, only 1000 student will get select. Okay, so you should decide that whatever I want to do, it should be by heart, because hard work with smart brain and smart timetable is needed. Okay, so first thing is that to become a police officer, dedication is very important. Second thing is that your timetable, your perfect timetable is very important. Third most important thing is that accurate guidance. I don't mean accurate guidance means costly classes. I don't mean accurate guidance means a lot of expenditure on classes. I mean accurate guidance means to go to somebody who has the right, who already has the experience about these civil services exams, and who can guide you properly, who can save your ears. Why the guidance is important? Because you have to crack those exams in first attempt. Because now already you have 3 years and you need not have to spend more than 3 years. It is not that much tough. So you search for that, and don't search online, because you have to meet that person. Though it is a lady officer or a gents officer, go to him or her, request them, ask them how they studied, what was the strategy, and apply it by modifying it. It's very important. But correct guidance is very important for these exams, and don't run behind big advertisements on any classrooms. No, not needed. So be careful. Decision making is the important thing to become a police officer. You should be mentally tough. Physically, you should be very tough. And so you have to remember that while preparing for the post of police officer, you have to work hard every day for your fit physique, for your healthy body and healthy mind also. And for that, you may try every day Anapana, which is given on YouTube, or Vipassana. If you have already done that course, go ahead with it. It is 100% fruitful for you. Actually, it is important for each and every post, but in police department, there are so many challenges. There are everyday challenges, and you have to face that, and you should be mentally tough. So first, think about it, whether I can bear all these things in the department, because career is the long lasting thing. If you enter in it, you have to be there for next 30 years. So you should be very much careful about that, whether I am going to the right track or I am very much emotional and taking the decision. Don't take any decision when you are emotional. Okay. So the next important thing is that you have to do your graduation, and while doing your graduation, you have to prepare for this exam. It's very easy if you are using the art stream. If you are choosing the art stream, it is very good, because these exams has such subject which are from the arts stream: history, geography, political science, economics, current affairs, environment. All these subjects you can complete with the help of art stream. So no need of any science stream to become a police officer. Means if you want to grab the opportunity in your first attempt, done. But if you are interested in science stream, it will not be any impediment in the exam. This also you have to keep in your mind. And I don't believe in plan B. Whenever you keep plan B, you can't concentrate on plan A. So don't think about plan B. It's not the right way, because whenever you have any substitute in your hand, you don't become that much dedicated for the plan A. That's why I am saying don't keep any plan B. You are investing, you are now giving your 3 years. So 3 years means your life. So dedicate a lot. Devotion, dedication, your perfect timetable, correct guidance, and your decision making skill is important to become a police officer. And you may start since today, from this moment. So think about it. All the best, dear friends. And if you think I'm appropriate person to guide you, you may comment on this YouTube link so I can reach up to you. Okay, leave your email so I can contact you. All the best, dear friends. My dear girls and boys, both of you have heard this message.